One of the easiest ways you can support your customers is to create a set of frequently asked questions that they can refer to with common issues. But determining your customers' most common questions and formulating the responses can be time-consuming. Today, we'll use Copilot to streamline the entire process. I exported this service issue data, including OpenText customer communications from the last 12 months from our CRM to Excel, along with our service team's common issue resolution paths. Let's launch Copilot by selecting the icon in the home menu. Copilot, please create an FAQ based on the most common customer issues on this sheet. While Copilot drafts the script, please like this video and subscribe if you want more practical Copilot demos. In seconds, Copilot created a formatted FAQ. Try uploading your brand guidelines to Copilot to tailor your customer experience even further. Ready to use it? Ask Copilot to export the script as a Word or CSV file. Now, you have a document you can easily update, upload to your website or chatbot platform, or share as training materials for other customer service representatives. Stick around. There's still so much more to learn about Copilot.